Namaste everyone, and welcome to day 14 of our 21-day meditation challenge. In today's session, we are going to be focusing on the Pranamaya Kosha, or the vital energy layer of our bodies. So let's get started with today's practice. Come onto your mat in a simple cross-legged posture. You can also sit up against the wall or in a chair if you're more comfortable that way. Lengthen your spine, sit up tall, bring your hands into Gyan Mudra at your knees, and whenever you're ready, slowly and gently now, close your eyes. With your eyes closed, start to bring all your attention and focus completely onto your inner world. As you draw inwards and relax, focus more and more on yourself and how you feel in this moment. Before we begin to meditate on our Pranamaya Kosha, we'll first spend some time withdrawing the senses inwards so that the focus shifts internally and we're able to meditate properly. So with the eyes closed, let's engage in silent concentration on our breath and on withdrawing the senses inwards. And now, after a few moments of silence, let's guide our attention towards the Pranamaya Kosha, known as the vital energy layer of our bodies. This layer is energized by the breath, which exchanges pranic energy with the outside and the inner world. So as you engage in this exchange of energy through your breath, try and pay attention to how literally your vital energy can change based on the pace of your breath. Try and meditate on how your breathing is informing the vital layers of your body. Breathing in deeply and then gently breathing out. And we continue this way. Breathe in gently and then breathe out. And the last time, breathe in and then gently breathe out. Coming to terms with a slow and full breathing. And trying to see how your breath is supporting the existence of the vital energy in you. For the next few breaths, keep counting your breath and see if you can slow it down. Counting as 1 inhale and 1 exhale. See if you can keep this momentum of breath going until you hear my voice again. And now, as you feel your breath slowing down and the entire body beginning to relax, notice how the very pranic energy within your body has changed. You may have come to the mat feeling anxious, feeling not so present, or feeling absolutely fine. But focusing on your prana helps you to enhance yourself even further. A few more moments of silent focus on this pranic energy, which is pretty much like the electricity current because of which the entire body functions. So let's keep focusing on this deep inhalation and exhalation, watching it impact the breath. And now, slowly and gently, let's begin to take our awareness back into this moment. We just tapped into our Pranamaya Kosha, which is powered by the breath, and we tried to focus on the way it feels in us. And when this prana functions correctly, we feel vibrant, alive, healthy, and free from physical and physiological suffering. So with that, let's gently come back to this moment. You can move your fingertips a little bit. You can move your toes to come back. You can also move your neck from left to right as you transition back into this moment. And then we'll move to the end of today's session. Bring your hands into a Namaste at the chest. Sit up tall and let's take a deep inhale inwards. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now slowly rub your palms together to create some heat or friction. And whenever you're ready, place the palms on your eyelids and gently release in front of your chest. Open your eyes to look at the palms and then slowly come back. Alright, so this was our meditation practice for today, focusing on the Pranamaya Kosha. And as we understood, the prana is essentially energy, is the vital life force of our bodies. And even though we're not always conscious of it, it's what keeps our body functioning. So I hope you're able to tap into it through your breath, and I hope that you continue this practice in the days to come. We'd love to see you tomorrow for day 15, and we hope that you'll join us on the mat once again. Thank you for being with us, and Namaste.